From yesterday, there are many trailers, teasers, and clips from Miraculous Ladybug Season 6 finale and reportedly from Season 7. Let's just find out what's happening in the Miraculous Ladybug Season 6 finale. In the Miraculous Ladybug Season 6 finale trailer, it has been shown that Marinette is burdened with secrets she has. In the trailer, it is also shown that Marinette told Alia the truth, and she, being angry, left Marinette alone. Adrian is trying to find out what's happening with Marinette. He wants to talk about his father. The most shocking part of the trailer is when Sabine says, "Who is in the guest room?" which feels like a horror movie to me at once. Is Lila there? Is she living there all the time? But then the TFOU trailer released, and we saw it was Wong Cheng, the uncle of Marinette to Pen Cheng. To be honest, we see he is there at Sabine's birthday, which is in secret protocol, and events will happen such that he will be acclimatized into a villain. The name is still not known. And remember, Cat Noir was angry in the trailer. It was because this villain kidnapped Marinette there. Okay, here in the teaser, you should see that Marinette has no earrings, but in the previous scene, we saw that Ladybug was standing there with Cat Noir. I will make this point clear in the video. Everything was going well until Gloob released this. Marinette was crying over her broken friendship with Alia, and the next teaser shows that Chrysalis will try to acclimatize Marinette again in this finale. I think she succeeded in this too. Marinette will be acclimatized into Nemesis and she is fighting with the heroes, but we see Ladybug is also there. And that is the twist we were waiting for. It was all Marinette's plan, but are the tears in this scene fake? Here is, I think, the most logical answer. In Secret Protocol, we have seen that Tiki is shocked by talking with Marinette. In this scene, I think she told Tiki that she is going to be acclimatized, but it's also possible that after Alia's rude behavior, she left her Miraculous there and then got acclimatized into Nemesis genuinely. And Alia found the Miraculous and turned into Rena Rouge. Or it was thoroughly Ladybug's plan. Marinette was acclimatized into Nemesis and Alia disguises herself to look like Ladybug. And it is also possible that she is controlling the Ladybug illusion from a distance. But option 1 is most likely. So either it was Ladybug's plan to give the earrings to Alia or she genuinely got acclimatized and Alia found the earrings by chance. As far as Adrian is concerned, I think he will not find out the truth in the finale. And as the season 7 synopsis says, Marinette will reveal the unthinkable to her lifelong love. What does this actually mean? Is she going to reveal her identity in season 7's first 2 episodes? This is most unexpected. But here is the most logical answer for this as well. It is possible she reveals that he is a sentient monster, and this makes sense too. I think Gabriel being on the poster has a significant role in the season 6 finale and season 7. So I think the truth about Gabriel is not revealing that soon. Now, talking about the release date, the US has announced it, but we want an earlier Gloob release too, which means something is coming. Gloob has also changed its logo, and Gloob always hints about the finale through its logos. And this time it hints that Marinette will be acclimatized in the finale. And the official synopsis released by the TFOU I explained in my previous videos. Guys, if you are still there, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated about Miraculous Ladybug Season 6 finale and about Miraculous Ladybug Season 7.